Hello, hello, hello. Hello, beautiful people. How's everyone doing? I hope so. Everyone's doing fine. Uh, we'll basically be having a brief update about financial markets, meaning cryptocurrencies, gbpjpy, gold, etc. And if you guys have any other questions, you can mention in the next stream, and hopefully we'll be the next video, and we'll be hopefully discussing that. Right. So let's just analyze the market from where we left it yesterday. Yeah. So the market was somewhere around here, and if you guys watched my video on yesterday's market update, you'll realize that I told you guys something like this, that usually people intend that the market will form something like this and then go down. But rather, I told you guys that this is a type of trap where the market shows kind of breakout from the local time, and then it goes up for a while and then it comes down directly. So it did come down, and if you guys watched that video, according to yesterday, you might have been in a profit of around 2.85%, right? So hopefully whoever watched it would have created some profits from there. Anyhow, apart from that, I'm still bearish on BTC, just waiting for this level. BTC, by the way, if you have a look over here, is not trendy, it's just sideways, it's accumulating, but whichever side it blasts to is going to be a big blast, right? But if we have a look somewhere over here, right, this is acting like a support. Yeah, acting like a support over here, that's resistance, and it's been here for the past few days, and market isn't showing any signals of recovery. So here's another prediction for today. If the market closes above this level 4 hours and takes some sort of a support over here, we can be bullish. However, the structure over here is already bearish. I'm expecting that this level, they will have some sort of a manipulation over here, maybe form wicks up there. And if the 4-hour candle is not able to contain, we are coming down here, down here, down here, for sure, for sure. You know why? You know why? I mentioned this in the previous video, as well as I'm gonna take a touch on it today. See, market takes a lot of liquidity down here, but is not able to break this high. Comes down again, takes another liquidity, but even after taking liquidity, see, this recent high, it cannot be compromised over here. Just liquidity is being taken, but apart from liquidity, if you have a look, it's mere like a trap over here. See, nothing. It comes down again, then it goes up again and comes down back. So it's in a sideway, it's in a sideway accumulating at this range. However, we should be very careful, because I don't expect from here for the market to go higher. If it goes a little, forms wicks, or this level is broken for me, then only I'm gonna trade in BTC. Apart from that, I have not been trading in BTC for some days now, because whenever the market is sideways, something like this happens, that this is your, let's just say, resistance, right? It forms a wick like this. It's unusual and it's untradeable sometimes, and it's like you'll be lucky if you don't get liquidated here. So I prevent sideways markets, and I just look for breakouts, and after breakouts I trade them, because sideways markets will test your patience, will test your patience. So I prefer not to trade in sideways markets. Rather, there are other better options, such as I've been trading gbpjpy, uh, British pound yen. So yeah, from yesterday's analysis, if you guys remember, I told you guys that there's a news and the market might be a little manipulative over here, and it will come down here. But this level was given to you guys, exact this level, right? And I told you guys, if only if there is no formation of a candle over here below this level, you guys can still long it. And I've as I mentioned to you guys earlier, I've longed it myself from 188, and my personal targets are up here initially if the market works out good today. If not, then I will be taking stop losses over here because I'm trailing this, right? So so uh, so my initial target is here, but I'm taking this as a swing trade, maybe. Yeah, if today this level is compromised, right, this level is broken, I'm gonna hold this straight to 197, and hopefully I'll be sharing my my gains with you guys soon. And also I'm trying to do a challenge where I basically convert a $30 to $1,000 realistically, not just gambling on it, with like proper trade scenarios, and analyzing the market properly, not just like gambling or betting on some things to work out really well, right? So I'm bullish on British pound, yeah, bearish on BTC. Let's just have a look at gold. Yeah, where's gold? Gold's been untradeable for me for like the last past few days. I've tried to take a trade here, but it has shown me nothing but disaster. Because see, what happens here is, because it's in an uptrend, right? It shows us a signal there is gonna sell off, right? Sell off from here, yeah. Good proper signal. The target should be at least here, yeah. And I don't expect this wick to be formed. Boom. Okay. Now let's have a look at 1 hour. It's just showing us fake structures. You know why? Because whenever the market is in an uptrend, uh, that market will always show you opposite direction trades, but however it goes to the other side. Okay, I'll tell you guys something very important now, very important, right? Very important, which will be very helpful for you guys in future. Yeah. So what is an uptrend? I believe this is not an uptrend. It is an uptrend, but this is uptrend for a retailer, which is like basically showing us a clear cut. Wait, let me remove this mess I made here. Okay. I don't consider this to be uptrend. Gold is mostly in uptrend, but what I mean by that is that somewhere, wait, somewhere like this. Yeah. See, uptrend for me is not something like this. Uptrend for me is something like this. This is uptrend for me. You know, the best thing about market like this is the best thing about market like this is that along the way, if you notice, right, market is going up pretty slowly, right? It seems like it's a very fast move, or it's going to the moon or whatever, right? Along the way, I'm telling you guys from now, and once it forms the proper structure, it just needs to break this level. Just one good, two good blue, green, red candles, sorry, over here. And what's the best thing about here is, the best thing, that it leaves liquidity down here. So whenever there's going to be a fall, it's going to be a massive, massive, massive red candles. It's not going to stop. Because I believe, if you have a look at weekly, because there has been, due to geopolitical reasons, there has been like good upward movement. Now this is what I call an uptrend. See, this is what I mean. Boom, uh-huh, boom, uh-huh, boom, uh-huh. This is an uptrend. This is actually, this is actually an uptrend. Or that one, this over here is nothing but just a trap that we'll realize soon. However, due to inflation skyrocketing and interest rates not coming anywhere near to dollars rising, uh, It's quite difficult at the moment to expect a reversal. However, we have to be ready, you know, ready, because for me, how I trade is, people will long gold here but not short it. Yeah, if you go back in history, let's just follow an uptrend, right? Okay, let's just say, okay, market was going up. People would have longed over here as well, but some smart people would have shorted this gold over here as well, right? And thinking of it as a long term, and let's just say we hold it for a while, and boom, it does come down. Gold does come down. It's not like it always stays up. This is what, around around 18%. 18% is not small percentage. Yeah, look at this. So market works on liquidity, and that's how I take it. But gold, as you guys know, one of the powerful metals, and people use it for investments, and in state of wars, or whenever there's opportunity to buy it at a dip, big people, big players do buy it. Yeah, but you know everything over here in this market works on liquidity, and I don't think so the market is going to be so straightforward, right? So there can be some reversals, and we have to be just ready for it and identify it when to capture them.